Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got T-Tablet and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then enter the Play Store. Of course, to be able to follow my steps, you will have to be logged in or sign up. And then tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games and tap on Manage. As you can see, this is the list of all installed apps. All we have to do is to tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. Of course, if you want, we can mark all of them. If not, just choose those which you'd like to update and mark them. So let me choose maybe Google Chrome, Google Assistant and Gmail. Just make sure that they are marked and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and the apps will be automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.